Hi there, my name's Amy Harber and welcome to Hungry Like the Cook. I'm going to show you how to make a really yummy banana caramel steel oats oatmeal. That's going to be so great for breakfast. Let's get started. So, just going to take a package of steel oats. I do the easy stuff. So just prepare it how it says on the package. Mine says 3/4 cups of water. And while that is boiling, you're not pouring that in until the water is boiling, you're going to take a banana. If it's ripe, cool. If it's not, it doesn't have to be mushy. Get in there. Chop all it in there. And then just chop that up. Leave that off to the side. I've got a little bit of brown sugar and a little bit of caramel sauce. This is going to heat up pretty quickly. Just a quick, easy breakfast to have here. Fun times. So my water's boiling. Time to dump in my stuff here. Grab my handy dandy little, stir that around. Bring it to another little boil. And then turn it down. Then I'm going to take all my bananas, throw them in there, let them cook up, get soft and mushy. Bring it to another boil. Throw in my brown sugar. Then you're going to let that come back up to another boil, pop it on low, and then let it cook for 5 minutes. So we're all ready to go here. It's been 5 minutes. We're going to dump this into the bowl. And then I'm going to give you a little quick cleanup tip. As soon as you are done pouring this in, put that in the sink. And give it a little scrub. Don't worry, your oatmeal's not getting cold. If it is one thing I've learned, once oatmeal dries, it is impossible to clean. Finally, take your caramel syrup. Give it a little drizzle. And then, if you're like me, I like salted caramel. Just take your salt shaker. Just a little sprinkle of salt. Salted caramel, banana oatmeal. Yummy. Nom 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 nom. Enjoy. See you next time.